Namaste everyone. So today we will talk about a very interesting topic, that is permutations with repetitions. So today we will find permutations of n different things taken r at a time when each thing is allowed to repeat any number of times. Right, students? So here to find permutations of n different things taken r at a time, it is same as the finding number of ways of filling r places, of filling r vacant places by using n different things. Let us see how. If we have r places, so we have places r 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to r, right? And we want to fill all these r places with help of n different things, and here each thing is allowed to repeat any number of times. So let us see in how many ways we can fill first place. We can fill first place in n ways, right? Similarly, we can fill second place in n ways because each thing is allowed to repeat any number of times. Similarly, third place can be filled in n ways. Similarly, fourth, similarly fifth, and similarly rth place can be filled in n ways. So therefore, the total number of ways in which all these r places can be filled by using n different things, and here each thing is allowed to repeat any number of times, is equal to n raised to power r. So here n is coming r times, so after multiplication by FPC, n into n up to r times, it will be equal to n raised to power r. Right, students? So it is very important result, that is permutations of n different things taken r at a time when each thing is allowed to repeat any number of times in any arrangement is given by n raised to power r. Okay, now let us start questions. So first question is, in how many ways 4 prizes be given to 3 boys when a boy is eligible for all the prizes? So in our first question it is given, we have to distribute 4 prizes among 3 boys. ठीक है, हमारे पास prizes है 4 and boys हैं 3. Okay, so there are 4 prizes and boys हैं 3, and when a boy is eligible for all the prizes, it means ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि एक ही boy को 4 के 4 prizes मिल जाएं. Okay, repetition is allowed. Okay, so a boy is eligible for all the prizes, right students? So let us see ये question कैसे होगा. तो अभी जो मैंने आपको रिजल्ट बताया है, जो आपको अभी रिजल्ट अभी मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है, वही रिजल्ट यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन में यूज होगा. नाउ देयर आर 4 प्राइजेस. प्राइजेस आपके पास 4 है, तो हेयर प्राइजेस, अगर हम प्राइजेस की बात करें तो देयर आर 4 प्राइजेस 1, 2, 3, 4, राइट? सो देयर आर 4 प्राइजेस एंड देयर आर बॉयज आपके पास 3 है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फर्स्ट प्राइज, अगर हम फर्स्ट प्राइज की बात करें तो फर्स्ट प्राइज can be given in how many ways? Yes, in 3 ways, because there are 3 boys, there are 3 options. So first prize can be given in 3 ways. Similarly, second can be given in 3 ways because it is given a boy is eligible for all the prizes, repetition is allowed. ठीक है, अगर एक बॉय को एक प्राइज मिल गया है तो सेकेंड प्राइज उसको वापस दोबारा उसी को मिल सकता है, राइट? सिमिलरली थर्ड प्राइज कैन बी गिवन in 3 ways. Similarly, fourth prize can be given in 3 ways. So therefore, the total number of ways in which all 4 prizes be given to 3 boys when a boy is eligible for all the prizes is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 3 raised to power 4 ways. So this is our answer. That is 3 raised to power 4. Right, students? So here 4 prizes given है आपको and 3 boys में हमें इनको distribute करना है. Repetition allowed है. Every boy is eligible for all the prizes. तो prizes आपके पास 4 है. First prize can be given in 3 ways, second can be given in 3 ways, third can be given in 3 ways, similarly fourth can be given in 3 ways. तो there was the total number of ways आपके पास आ जाएंगे 3 raised to power 4. Right? Okay, now. So now let us move to our second question. So our first question का जो हमारा आंसर है that is 3 raised to power 4. Now let us read statement of second question. So the second question is, yes, let us see. A boy has 3 pockets. Now the pockets are 3. And in how many ways can he put 6 marbles in pockets? Now there are 6 marbles. Marble 6 है, right? And pockets 3 है. ओके एंड उसे जो अपने मार्बल्स हैं वो 3 पॉकेट्स में उसको प्लेस करने हैं. तो इन हाउ मेनी वेज ही कैन पुट ऑल 6 मार्बल्स इन 3 पॉकेट्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मार्बल्स, अगर हम मार्बल्स की बात करें तो मार्बल्स कितने हैं उसके पास 6. तो मार्बल्स हैं 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. दे आर टोटल 6 मार्बल्स. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल first marble can be placed in 3 ways because there are 3 pockets are available, there are 3 options. Similarly, second marble can be placed in 3 ways. Similarly, third marble can be placed in 3 ways. Similarly, fourth in 3 ways. Similarly, fifth in 3 ways. Similarly, sixth in 3 ways. So you can see here as there is repetition is allowed. Here repetition is allowed. Okay. So a boy has 3 pockets and in how many ways can he put 6 marbles in pockets? So here first marble can put in 3 ways, second can put in 3 ways, third can put in 3 ways, fourth can put in 3 ways, fifth can put in 3 ways and sixth can put in 3 ways, right? So total number of ways आपके पास आ जाएंगे 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 3 raised to power 6 ways, right? So its answer will be 3 raised to power 6, right? तो स्टूडेंट्स आप देख रहे हैं कि अभी जो मैंने आपको रिजल्ट एक्सप्लेन किया उसी रिजल्ट के ऊपर बेस्ड यहाँ पे हम क्वेश्चंस करते जा रहे हैं. नाउ कम टू थर्ड क्वेश्चन. इन हाउ मेनी वेज कैन 6 डिफरेंट रिंग्स बी worn इन द 4 fingers ऑफ ए हैंड. ओके, तो यहाँ पे जो हमारा क्वेश्चन है वो रिंग्स को लेके है. तो देयर आर 6 डिफरेंट रिंग्स. यस, रिंग्स आपके पास 6 हैं एंड रिंग्स को आपने जो वियर करना है इन 4 fingers ऑफ ए हैंड. ओके, सो इन हाउ मैनी वेज. तो हेयर रिंग्स आर 6. तो मैं रिंग्स की बात कर लेते हैं. देयर आर 6 डिफरेंट रिंग्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 और हमारे पास जो फिंगर्स हैं वो 4 अवेलेबल है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फर्स्ट रिंग कैन बी worn in yes in 4 ways. Second in 4 ways, third in 4 ways, similarly fourth भी 4 में, fifth भी 4 में और sixth भी 4 में. तो therefore the total number of ways will be 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 4 raised to power 6. तो total number of ways आपके पास हो गए 4 raised to power 6. तो इसका जो आंसर है that will be 4 raised to power 6. Right students? Okay, let us do some more questions. So our next question is how many 3-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 3 6 8 when digits may be repeated. So students, in this we have to form 3-digit numbers. It means we have to fill 3 places, that is ones place or we can say unit place, tens place and hundred place, right? And now there are how many digits are available? There are 4 digits are available, that is 1 3 6 and 8. So first of all, unit place can be filled in. There are 4 digits and digits may be repeated. So unit place can be filled in 4 ways. Similarly, tens place can be filled in 4 ways because digits may be repeated. Similarly, hundred place can be filled in 4 ways, right? So it means all 3 places can be filled in 4 into 4 into 4, that is 4 raised to power 3. 4 raised to power 3. So therefore the total 3-digit numbers formed by using the digits 1 3 6 8 will be 4 raised to power 3. Right students? तो इट्स वेरी सिंपल. यहाँ पे भी रिपीटिशन का केस है आपके पास, डिजिट्स रिपीट कर सकते हैं. सो ओके, सो इट्स आंसर इज 4 raised to power 3. Now let us move to our next question. So question number 5th. Yes, let us read the statement of 5th question. How many 2-digit numbers less than 100 can be formed? How many 2-digit numbers less than 100 can be formed with the digits 1 3 5 7 9 when digits may be repeated? Okay, so in this question now we have to form 2-digit numbers. It means we will fill only 2 places, that is unit place and tens place, because 2-digit numbers हमें यहाँ पे form करने हैं. तो unit place and tens place ही हमें सिर्फ यहाँ पे fill करना है. एंड जो हमारे नंबर्स हैं वो हमारे होने चाहिए लेस देन 100 एंड 2-digit नंबर्स बाय यूजिंग दीज 5 digits. नाउ देयर आर 5 ऑप्शंस आर अवेलेबल. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल unit place can be filled in 5 ways. Similarly, tens place can be filled in 5 ways because digits may be repeated. तो therefore total number of ways हो जाएंगे 5 raised to power 2, that is 25 numbers आपके पास यहाँ पर बनेंगे. So how many 2-digit numbers will be formed? 5 raised to power 2, that is 25. Right? Okay, now Now let us move to our third question. Question number 6. In how many ways 10 letters be posted? In how many ways 10 letters be posted? Letters हैं हमारे पास 10 और हमने उनको post करना है in 4 letter boxes. So in how many ways we can post, and here repetition is allowed. So first of all letters हमारे पास है 10. Here letters हैं हमारे पास 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So first of all, first letter can be posted in 4 ways because there are 4 letter boxes. Similarly, second can be posted in 4 ways because repetition is allowed. Similarly, third can be posted in 4 ways. Similarly, in fourth ways, जो fourth है. Similarly, fifth in 4 ways. So all these will be posted in 4 ways. So therefore the total number of ways will be 4 into 4. So here आपके पास जो 4 है वो 10 times आ रहा है. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So therefore total number of ways will be 4 raised to power 10. 4 raised to power 10. Right, students? So students, today we have done a number of questions based on our topic, that is permutations with repetitions. So try questions based on this topic, and in the next lecture we will meet with our next topic. So till next lecture, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.